Behind this curtain is unlimited slushy refills.
Open it.
Hold up, show your sub proof.
Do I have to?
The curtain only opens for real ones. No sub, no slushy. Subscribe to enter.
The slushy throne awaits its ruler.
That's me.
Only subscribers wear the crown.
I was just gonna watch. Come on, I really want a slushie.
Then watch from the sidelines. No sub, no slushy. Subscribe and reign.
Win the slushy, just pull the lever.
Okay, I got 3 cherries.
Great, now did you subscribe before playing?
Was that in the rules?
Rule number 1, no sub, no slushy. Subscribe now to collect your prize.
One slushy swirl coming right up.
Oh, sweet. I didn't even have to chase the truck this time.
Wait, did you subscribe though?
I thought that was optional.
So is the slushy. No sub, no slushy. Subscribe now to claim yours.
Here's your free slushie. Wait, did you subscribe?
I watched the whole video.
That's cute. But did you hit that subscribe?
No.
Then this slushie's going right back in the freezer. No sub, no slushie. Subscribe now to unlock it.
Delivery for Mr. Subscriber.
That's not my name.
No signature, no sip.
But I ordered it.
Yeah, but you didn't subscribe. No sub, no slushy.
Limited edition slushy cups today.
I want 3.
Did you sub to the channel though?
Why's that matter?
Because limited means loyal. No sub, no slushy. Watch me make your slushy appear.
Do it!
But did you subscribe first?
What's the magic word again?
Subscribe. Make sure to like and watch 3 times. No sub, no slushy. Subscribe now to claim it.
Did you like the video?
No.
Did you watch it 3 times?
I can't remember how many times.
What a shame. So did you even subscribe?
Oh my god, I didn't.
Well, you better do it now to claim your slushy. Did you like the video?
Yup. Smash that like.
Did you watch it 3 times?
Watched it twice and sneezed. That counts.
No. And did you subscribe too?
Oh no, not yet.
No sub, no cup. Subscribe now and claim it. Did you like the video?
Yeah, I did that.
Watch it 3 times.
Yay, I did that.
Did you subscribe?
I'm looking for the subscribe button. Oh, there it is. I did that too.
Then you've just earned yourself a slushy.
Did you like the video?
Yup, smash that like.
Did you watch it 3 times?
Watched it twice and a bit. That counts?
Now. And did you subscribe too?
Not yet.
No sub, no cup. Subscribe now and claim it.
Did you like the video?
Yup, smash that like.
Did you watch it 3 times?
Watched it as I slept. That counts?
Nah, and did you subscribe too?
Not yet.
No sub, no cup. Subscribe now and claim it.
Hey, I heard you're giving out slushy cups today.
Yup, but it's not just a giveaway.
What do I have to do? I'm ready.
Did you subscribe to the channel?
Wait, that's part of it.
Always has been. No sub, no cup. Subscribe now to claim yours.
Yo, I've been waiting all day for my slushy.
You and everyone else. Did you subscribe though?
I liked the video. Does that count?
That's cute, but we deal in subs, not sympathy.
Wait, seriously?
No sub, no cup. You know the drill. Subscribe to claim yours.